Hey guys, what's up? Chris here with ACN, and I'm back at Knott's Berry Farm because Xcelerator, it started testing this morning. I'm so excited. I was originally going to come out here first thing. I was really exhausted and whatnot from Magic Mountain yesterday. Anyway, I'm here now. Let's go inside the park and see if I can get it testing. All right, I made it inside. There's no train in the station at the moment. I'm guessing it's out on the brake run, but I can't see that. Anyway, gonna take a walk around the station here, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep talking because if I don't, I'll probably get a copyright strike with all this loud music that they play in the park. Well, they have it roped off over here now. I always used to be able to access it, but now that they're testing it, and we got a sign over here that they are testing it. I mean, obviously they have this roped off because people are going to think that the coaster is open. Yeah, and it's also roped off over here. I'm just going to head down towards the ride entrance and the top hat and take a look at things. Obviously, the cables reattached because it's testing. Yeah, you know, I was originally going to come out this morning, like I was saying. And just my luck, right? Usually I miss stuff by a day. I come out here and then the following day something cool happens. Well, anyway, I'm here now and fingers crossed I'll get to see it go. But for the time being, I'm just gonna keep talking, I guess. Yeah, so here we are. All right, got maintenance people crawling all over the launch track, and the train without its shell is sitting at the end of the brake run over there. It's good to see. Yeah, let's get this baby testing again. We got all the maintenance guys in the station there, so it looks like it's gonna come around, and here it is. Oh yeah. What a beautiful sight. It's been far too long. Also really awesome, like I was saying, to see it without its nose on. Oh yeah. All right. Time to make my way over here. Pardon me, sorry. Let's see if we can get this baby launched. Guy over there waiting. I think it's about to go. Nope. A lot of pointing. Trying to figure something out here. Oh, there we go. All right. Let's go, baby. Yeah! Ow! Yes! Here we go! Woo! All right, into that last overbank. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that is so exciting. All right, it's gonna go again. Yeah. Okay, fins are down, it's gonna go. Oh yeah. That is hauling. Fantastic. Thank you, Knott's Berry Farm Maintenance, for getting her going again. Who's excited for Xcelerator? Drop a comment down below. And what do you think about this paint job? They painted it only, what, a month or two before it closed down for this extended period of time? Anyway, I'm gonna stay here as long as I can, but I do have to work later. Well, I was going to attempt to get some more angles from the other side, but I was waiting and waiting, and then decided to come back here to the station, and the train's not even in the station, and with the exception of, there's one person in the control booth over there, I think. Everybody else has left the station platform. So I think with that, I'm going to sign off. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back here soon enough to get more testing footage. Have a good one. Bye.